In this straightforward tutorial, I am going to show you how to make your Steam profile private. Begin by opening the Steam application on your PC and log into your Steam account if you haven't already. Click on your profile name or avatar located at the top right corner of the Steam window. And from the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. On your profile page, locate and click the Edit Profile button on the right side of the screen. In the left-hand pane of the profile editing screen, select Privacy Settings. Under the Privacy or My Profile section, click on the drop-down arrow. From options provided, select Private to make your entire Steam profile private. After selecting the desired privacy option, ensure to save your changes by clicking on the Save Changes button, typically located at the bottom of the page. And now your Steam profile is private, and note that nobody can see what you post or do on Steam until they are your friends. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.